Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now this is going to be quite a brief video, but we're going to talk to you and run you through a project that we've done for a company called Auto Finesse a couple of years ago. It started life as a 1954 CHEVY 3100 Stepside 3-window deluxe cab, so a very sought after and a 1 year only truck. The main premise for this build was it needed to win shows, steal hearts and sound incredible. But also one of the main attributes that we needed to pull off on this build was it needed to be very OEM plus. There's a formula that people use, especially on custom built trucks nowadays, that is just very saturated with, you know, the big 20-inch wheels, you know, very shiny metallic paint. They can go quite overboard very quickly. And the idea of this one was to basically bring it back a notch, but enhance the original aesthetics of how they were produced in the 50s. Because you don't really need to do much to these aesthetically to make them look amazing. They look incredible as they are. So it's just basically enhancing and working on the original features and really bringing them out. And I think we've done it pretty good. Colour was a big thing, getting the right colour. For it, getting the wheel choice and the stance and also the right power plant in front. So unfortunately we were on quite a time constraint building this, so we don't have the amount of footage that we wish we did have, but I'm sure hopefully it will be out and about at some shows and you guys can see it for yourself if you haven't already.
The interior had to be such a focal point of this truck build. The trim itself was done by friend Chris at Retro Retrims. It's vintage leather over Harris tweed. Gauges are MVU Detroit Quadzillas. And we are running air suspension on the truck, so we are powered by the LF 3P management system, which is housed in this custom made panel underneath the dashboard and all smoothed in. The wheel was probably my favourite part of the truck, to be honest. They're our own custom blend of taking the original OE Chevy steel wheels, having them stripped and machined and converted into a 3-piece 17-inch split rim. In the rears we've got 17 by 12, in the fronts we're housing 70 by 9s. The power plant derives from a Chevrolet LS3 engine with an Edelbrock E4 supercharger on there. It creates about 630 horsepower at the wheels, so there's plenty of go, mated to a 460 gearbox and a GM 10-bolt rear end. These bonnet badges we have had machined out of billet aluminium. Of course they don the Auto Finesse brand on there, but to mimic the original 3100 script. All the sign writing throughout the truck and even the logos on the doors have all been hand painted. Using traditional methods as well. On the rear glass is all gold leaf as well. The bedwood we had designed and custom machined out of Irica hardwood and stained afterwards. You can see underneath the picker bed is another story as well. It remains just as clean, if not cleaner, than the top side. The whole frame and everything that you see there has been custom made from scratch.
And that's it. It's probably one of our most enjoyable, finest builds that we've done today, simply because I love the overall execution and design of the truck. It like really hits home for me. We've got about 4,000 hours in this build, probably 1,000 of that is just in body and paint alone. You know, the finish and detail had to be to the best of our abilities. Of course, it's going to, or it belongs to Auto Finesse, who are a detailing brand. The paint's finished in the base coat and clear, all through Noble products again, and it's been flow coated as well, so it's got extra layer of clear just for extra deep shine and also to keep the longevity of that glossy effect. So, well, thanks for watching. We're going to do a few more videos of this on previous builds and builds we've got going on at the moment. So if you like this, want to get involved, please like, share, comment, subscribe. And we like to interact with you as much as we can as well. So brilliant. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch up with you soon.